Hey everyone, Roger here. If this is your very first time riding Amtrak, welcome. I know it can feel a little intimidating, different from planes, different from buses, and there are so many little things that can make or break your trip. Today I'm sharing my personal 15 essential tips for first-time Amtrak travelers that I really wish someone had told me before my first ride. These are the ones that save you money, reduce stress, and make the journey actually enjoyable. At the end, I'll also give you 3 bonus tips. Whether you're doing a short regional trip or a multi-day cross-country adventure, these tips will help you a lot. Let's jump right in, starting with number 15. Book your ticket as early as possible, ideally 90 to 180 days in advance. The cheapest fares and the best roomettes sell out extremely fast, especially on popular routes like the California Zephyr or Silver Service. I've seen prices literally double in just a few weeks, so set a reminder on your phone and book early. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. Tip 14. Download the app. Download the Amtrak app the moment you buy your ticket. It shows live train status, digital tickets, seat selection, and you can even order food from the cafe car on some trains. This app is honestly one of the best parts of the whole experience. Tip 13. Arrive early. Get to the station 30 to 45 minutes before departure. In big stations like New York, Chicago, or Los Angeles, lines can get long, and boarding sometimes starts early. Being early means you're relaxed instead of stressed and rushing. Tip number 12. Bring your own food. Bring your own food and drinks. Cafe car prices are pretty expensive. Pack sandwiches, snacks, fruit, chips, and a big reusable water bottle. You can refill it at most stations. Your wallet and your taste buds will thank you later. Tip number 11. Choose seat wisely. When booking, choose your seat carefully. On the big superliner trains, upper-level seats give you much better views. Lower level is better if you want easier bathroom access or you get motion sickness. Small choice. Big difference in comfort. Tip number 10. Pack light. Pack light and use a rolling carry-on. Overhead space is limited and you'll have to carry everything yourself at some stations. Less luggage equals way less stress. Tip number 9. No baggage rules. Know the baggage rules. 2 personal items and 2 carry-ons are free, max 50 pounds each. Checked bags are free on many long-distance routes, but limited on others, so double-check your specific train before you go. Tip number 8. Noise-canceling headphones. Bring good noise-canceling headphones, or at least earplugs. Trains have constant clickety-clack sounds and announcements. These will save your sanity, especially on overnight rides. Tip number 7. Charge everything. Fully charge all your devices before boarding and bring a portable power bank. Outlets are available, but sometimes far from your seat or not working. Better safe than sorry. Tip number 6. Offline entertainment. Download movies, podcasts, books, and music before you leave. Wi-Fi on Amtrak is slow or non-existent in many areas. Don't rely on streaming during the trip. Tip number 5. Expect delays. Expect delays. Amtrak shares tracks with freight trains, so 30-minute to a few-hour delays are pretty normal. Always build extra time into your schedule, especially if you have connections. Tip number 4. Blanket, pillow, eye mask. Bring a small blanket, neck pillow, and eye mask. Coach seats recline, but it gets cold and bright at night. These 3 cheap items turn a long ride into something much more comfortable. Tip number 3. Sightseer Lounge. On long-distance trains, spend time in the Sightseer Lounge car. It has huge windows on both sides and upstairs. These are the best views on the entire train. First come, first served, so get there early. Tip number 2. Dining car schedule. Know when the dining car is open. On long-distance trains, they serve full meals at set times. The cafe car is always open for snacks. Plan your meals around it so you don't go hungry. Tip number 1, quiet car. If your train has a quiet car, use it. No talking, no loud phone calls, no music without headphones. It's the absolute best place to sleep, work, or just relax on a long journey. Total game changer. All right, here are 3 quick bonus tips. Bonus 1, bring hand sanitizer and disinfectant wipes. Train bathrooms get used by a lot of people. Bonus 2, bring a small power strip. Outlets are limited and this lets you charge multiple devices easily. Bonus 3, always check the seat map before you book. Some seats are right next to the bathroom or in noisy areas. A quick look can save you a miserable ride. Those are my 15 essential tips, plus 3 bonuses for first-time Amtrak riders. Which tip surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below. If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Amtrak guides every week. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the next ride.